In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a step chart in Excel. This is a simple way to create a step-style visual in Excel using SmartArt. It is useful when you want to show a process, a sequence, or a progression from one stage to the next. Instead of building a chart from data, you will be inserting a ready-made SmartArt graphic called a staircase list. This gives you a clean visual layout that looks like steps, and you can add your own text into each part of the chart. Start by opening Excel and going to the worksheet where you want the step chart to appear. You do not need to prepare a table or enter any data first for this method. The chart will be created as a graphic object, so it can be placed directly onto the sheet and used like a visual diagram. Once you are ready, look at the top of the Excel window and find the ribbon menu. Click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. The Insert tab is where Excel keeps tools for adding items to your worksheet, such as charts, images, shapes, and SmartArt graphics. Since this step chart is going to be made with SmartArt, this is the correct place to begin. After clicking Insert, take a moment to look through the available options on the ribbon. Next, click SmartArt. This opens the SmartArt graphic window. SmartArt gives you a collection of pre-built diagram layouts, so you can quickly create visuals without drawing each shape manually. The window is usually divided into categories on the left side, a list of layout choices in the middle, and a preview with a short description on the right. This makes it easier to find the type of visual that matches what you want to build. Now look at the menu on the left side of the SmartArt window and click List. The List category contains layouts that are designed to present information in a clear sequence or organized format. This is the category where you will find the staircase layout. Selecting List narrows down the available designs, so you do not need to search through every SmartArt option. Once you are in the List category, scroll down through the available layouts. Move slowly enough to read the layout names as they appear. You are looking for a layout called Staircase List. This option is designed to show information as a series of steps, which makes it a good choice for a step chart or any process that moves upward or forward from one point to the next. When you find Staircase List, click it once to select it. You should see a preview of the design in the SmartArt window. This preview helps confirm that you have chosen the correct layout before adding it to your worksheet. After Staircase List is selected, click OK. Excel will insert the SmartArt graphic into your worksheet. At this point, the step chart should appear on the sheet, and you should also see a text pane next to it. The text pane is where you enter the content that will appear inside the SmartArt. Each bullet point in the text pane corresponds to a part of the staircase graphic. This makes it easy to fill in the chart without clicking each shape one by one. Now type your text directly into the bullet points in the text pane. Enter the text you want for each step of your chart. As you type, Excel automatically places your words into the matching section of the staircase list. This allows you to focus on the content while Excel handles the layout. If your step chart represents a process, you can place each stage on its own bullet point, so the information follows the staircase structure clearly. Once your text is entered, your step chart is complete. You now have a simple staircase-style SmartArt graphic in Excel that can be used to present steps, stages, or a sequence in a clean visual format. That covers everything you need to know.